Good morning, students. Today's topic is firewall. Okay. So what is firewall? Firewall is the protection between the LAN and WAN, means small network and weak network. It is the protection. Okay. A firewall is a network security device, either hardware or software based, which monitors all incoming and outgoing traffic and based on a defined set of security rules it accepts, rejects or drops that specific traffic. A firewall establishes a barrier between the secured or internal networks and outside untrusted networks such as the internet. Like, see the diagram. This is our firewall and this is our secure and small network, and this is large network and untrusted network. Okay, so firewall is the barrier which is protect the unauthorized security and unauthorized people and hackers to the to the users. Okay, so this is LAN and this is WAN and this is the firewall. Okay, so many types of firewall are there available. There are mainly 3 types of firewall, such as software firewalls, hardware firewalls, and both software and hardware firewalls are present depending on their structure. So firewall is defined depending their structure. Each type of firewall has different functionality but the same purpose. But purpose is same, but the functionality is different. Okay. However, it is the best practice to have both to achieve maximum possible protection. A hardware firewall is a physical device that attaches between a computer network and a gateway. For example, a broadband router. A hardware firewall is sometimes referred to as application firewall. On other hand, a software firewall is a simple program installed on a computer that works through port numbers and other installed software. This type of firewall is also called host firewall. So software firewall or application firewall is also known as our host firewall. Okay, and both depending means software and hardware, both firewalls depending on the many features like packet filtering, circuit label, application label gateways, stateful multi-layer inspection, next generation, threat focused, network address translation, cloud firewalls, and unified threat management firewalls. Okay, these are all about our firewalls. So next topic is our encryption. So let's see what is encryption and what is decryption. So in our network security, encryption and decryption has the most important and vital role. Okay, let's see what is encryption. Encryption is the process of using an algorithm to transfer information to make it unreadable for unauthorized users. This cryptographic method protects sensitive data such as credit card numbers by encoding and transforming information into unreadable ciphertext. Okay, this encoded data may only be decrypted or made readable with a key. Symmetric key and asymmetric key are the 2 primary types of encryption. Encryption is essential for ensured and trusted delivery of sensitive information. Let's see what is decryption. Decryption is the process of taking encoded or encrypted text or other data and converting it back into text that you or the computer can read and understand. This term could be used to describe a method of unencrypting the data manually or unencrypting the data using the proper codes or keys. Data may be encrypted to make it difficult for someone to steal the information. Some companies also encrypt data for general protection of company data and trade secrets. If this data needs to be viewable, it may require decryption. If a decryption passcode or key is not available, special software may be needed to decrypt the data using algorithms to crack the decryption and make the data readable. So for the encryption and encrypted and decrypted data, for the security purpose, we are using the encrypted and decrypted data, and the data is encoded by the using some symmetric and asymmetric key, and then it is also again decrypted by using the passcode or key. Okay, next let's see what is the basic difference between the encryption and decryption. In encryption, process of encoding a message or information in such a way that only authorized parties can access it. In decryption, process of transferring data that has been written unreadable through encryption back to its unencrypted form. In encryption, converts the original message to an unrecognizable message. In decryption, converts the received encrypted message back to the original message. Okay. In encryption, it occurs at the sender end, and in the decryption, it occurs at the receiver end. So before sending the data, we encrypted the value, and before receiving the data, we decrypt the value. So these are all about the encryption and decryption in our network security. Okay. Last one of the topic is of this chapter is Secure Sockets Layer, which is known as SSL. So let's see what is SSL. Okay, so next topic is our Secure Sockets Layer, which stands for SSL. So Secure Sockets Layer is a standard protocol used for the secure transmission of documents over a network. Developed by Netscape, SSL technology creates a secure link between a web server and browser to ensure private and integral data transmission. SSL uses Transport Control Protocol (TCP) for communication. In SSL, the word socket refers to the mechanism of transferring data between a client and server over a network. When using SSL for secure internet transactions, a web server needs an SSL certificate to establish a secure SSL connection. SSL encrypts network connection segments above the transport layer, which is a network connection component above the programmer layer. This secure socket layer provides security to the data that is transferred between web browser and server. It encrypts the link between a web server and a browser, which ensures that all data passed between them remain private and free from attack. So there are 4 types of secure socket layer protocols are available. So first one is SSL record protocol, second is handshake protocol, third is chain cipher space protocol, and last one is alert protocol. So SS protocol is works for the record the connection. Okay, it's the confidential and message integrity. Handshake protocol is used to establish session between the sender and the receiver. Okay, and the chain cipher protocol is used for the connection, which one is pending. Which one is pending? That will be completed by the chain cipher protocol. And last one is our alert protocol. So alert protocol is used for convey the SSL related alerts to the peer entity. Each message in this type of protocol is contained 2 bytes. So these are all about our SSL. So many features means advantage and disadvantage are available for the SSL. So let's see what is the advantage of the SSL. So advantage of this approach is that the service can be tailored to specific needs of the given application. Secure socket layer was originated by Netscape. SSL is designed to make use of TCP to provide reliable end-to-end secure service, and this is a two-layered protocol. So remember one most important thing, SSL secure sockets layer is two-layered protocol. Okay, so these are all about our internet security chapter. Okay, so let's go for the next chapter. Thank you.